everyone, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jason. We're back today to teach you something new in English.
Yeah, today we're going to show you how to introduce yourself. Do you know how to tell someone your name?
It's super easy. When you meet someone for the first time, you can say, "My name is," your name.
That's right. You can also say, "I'm," your name. It means the same thing.
Let's try it together. I'll go first. Hello, my name is Jason. And you?
Hello, Jason. I'm Sarah.
After you say your name, you can tell them how old you are. I say, "I'm 7 years old."
Me too. I say, "I'm 7 years old." Can you say, "I'm your age, years old"? Great job!
Great! And then, you can tell them where you live. I live in New York. So I say, "I live in New York."
And I live in Paris. So I say, "I live in Paris." Now it's your turn. You can say, "I live in your city or country."
Awesome! Now let's put it all together.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm 7 years old, and I live in Paris. What's your name?
Hi, Sarah. I'm Jason. I'm 7 years old too, and I live in New York. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jason.
Now it's your turn. Try saying your name, how old you are, and where you live.
Let's try one more time. Great job, everyone!
Remember, introducing yourself is the first step to making new friends. So, don't be shy.
Yeah, and always say it with a big smile, just like us.
Thanks for learning with us today. We'll see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.